Part 2, how to use our luxurious argan oil products. Okay, so first off, the spray bottle comes with a little lever on the side. Let me show you. On the side here, that's your on and off button. You can probably see it here. This is off and that's on. And you're going to use this to spray your hair really good. I love these products. And you spray your hair. I spray it all over. I get it all at the top. And as you can see, I'm like parting, moving my hair around so that the spray can get down to my scalp. That's what you want to focus on, is your scalp, to moisturize your scalp. And then the spray is, once you start massaging it, the oils and the spray is going to work its way to the ends. Now, when I spray it good on my scalp, then I work that through, and then I just take the ends of my hair and I spray that as well, just to make sure that my ends are moisturized. I just kind of gather up my hair and I make sure that all of my ends are sprayed well, because I don't want any breakage in my head. Okay, so then I just kind of work that spray in real good. Be very gentle with your hair. And because I have Sisterlocks, by the way. I don't have loose hair. I have Sisterlocks, and they're small Sisterlocks. So, the hair naturally sloughs off. And so I don't want it to just break off. So, but anyway, I just kind of massage the spray in good. Make sure that all my hair is sprayed and moisturized. And because there's nothing like doing all this work in terms of braiding your hair and spraying your hair and not spraying it well enough. And then once you take your braids out, you have some straight hair that did not get crinkled. And that is so unattractive and irritating to me. So what I do is I kind of, section off my hair like so. I just take a clip and section it off. And then I just take a little bit of the cream and I just kind of put a little bit in near the scalp area, and then I put a little on the ends. You don't have to put too much right now, because at the very end, after you put all the conditioner on your hair, then you're gonna repeat and put it, gather your hair on the ends and put some on. So anyway, this is the clip. Just have a simple clip. And then I just put the cream right here near my scalp. Because see, once you massage it in, it's going to work its way all the way down to the tips of your hair. So you don't need a whole lot in the beginning. Okay. This argan oil cream is a leave-in. Both creams actually are leave-in creams. You don't have to rinse it out. It's a great hair dressing. It's excellent for children's hair as well. My niece and my granddaughter, their moms use it in their hair, and their hair is just beautiful. It makes your hair comb out really nicely. My mom also uses it. She has loose hair. And my brother-in-law, everybody loves this product. Everybody loves this product. So anyway, you just kind of section your hair off and you put it in between the parts. This product, also these products are excellent if you want to experiment and have your hair, see if your hair will grow back. Because of the Lanolin and the jojoba in the super conditioning whipped cream in the white jar, it's so good for the skin of your scalp. And so right in here, after all the years I've had Sisterlocks, I still have challenges with those temple areas. The hair is real soft and fine. It's baby hair there. And so hair is always breaking off. It gets soft and it breaks off. And so what I do is I just put the cream right in that vulnerable spot, right here in the edges area. And then I start massaging. Before you know it, my hair has grown back. So, you know, if you have live follicles on your scalp, then it's possible to use beautiful hair products as a way of helping you to gain more hair because of the richness of the product. Now, this argan oil cream is made with argan oil. It doesn't have any lanolin or jojoba because the argan oil is rich within itself, and so it's purely pure argan oil in here, pure argan oil in there, and it's whipped, and so it's really, really good and rich for the skin of your scalp. Now, see, if you might hear me say the skin of your scalp a lot, because I believe that if you don't have a healthy scalp, you can't have beautiful hair. And so I've always focused on the scalp, the skin of the scalp. And your skin of your scalp is needy, just like the skin on your body, on your arm and all. And so so with that said, you know, you have to keep your hair and your scalp clean and conditioned so that you can have the optimal hair health. So that's how I moisturize my hair and take care of my scalp. Now that I have all of the spray and the conditioner on my hair and my scalp, now what I do is I don't do like this when I massage my hair. When I want a deep massage, I take the palm of my hands and I just kind of rotate. Oh, that feels so good. I just kind of rotate my scalp like so, making sure that I manipulate the, oh, that feels so good. I'm giving my own self a massage, giving your own self a scalp massage. And what that does is it stimulates the hair follicles, and which causes the blood to flow, and it loosens up the skin of your scalp, and your hair can kind of grow easier coming out of the follicles. And so, oh, that feels so good. And so you just kind of massage the product in your hair. As you can see, the conditioner just kind of melts into your hair. It doesn't stay white. It just melts into your hair. And oh, that feels so good. And there you have it. You have, oh, that feels hydrated. It's not snappy. It's not dry and crispy anymore. It's soft. It's moisturized. As you can see, oh, that feels so good. And so now I am going to start braiding it. Okay? For more information, visit us at www.beautifulhairproducts.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.